Welcome to day 29 of your 30-day yoga challenge and the last yin yoga class of this challenge. We will begin in Sphinx pose, so lay down on your belly. Bring your elbows under your shoulders and then hold the opposite elbows with your hands. You have an option to stay here, keeping the elbows underneath your shoulders or slightly in front of the shoulders. If you prefer a more traditional variation, you can also keep the forearms parallel to each other. Find a position where you feel a bit of compression on your spine, on the lower back. Relax your feet, legs, hips. Relax your chest between your shoulders. Your head can stay lifted, or you can also let the head hang heavy. If that's comfortable for your neck. This position may give you a little bit different sensation on the back of the body. When you find a comfortable position, close your eyes and notice from within how you feel today, in your body and in your mind. Notice the physical sensations in your body. Notice which thoughts and emotions are present for you today. Simply notice without judging or trying to change anything. For the last few moments in this pose, you can stay on your forearms or straighten the arms, lift the chest a little higher, increase the compression on your lower back. Make sure you can continue to breathe freely as you straighten the arms. If you feel like you are struggling to breathe, you might be going a little too far. Stay present with the sensations in your body. A few more breaths. Slowly release your Sphinx pose. Place your hands on top of each other. Relax your forehead. You can also bend the knees and let your feet fall side to side to relax the lower back. And then point your feet, slide your hands underneath your shoulders, press yourself up into hands and knees, and adjust your body for child's pose. Bring your feet closer together, knees can be together or wide apart. Arms reach forward or back. Maybe you relax your head on top of your hands. You already know lots of variations of this pose, so try to find the one that feels good right now in your body. Observe the flow of your breath in this pose. Notice the breath flow in and out. Visualize softening your body a bit more with every exhale. relaxing the body into the mat. Slowly roll your spine up to seated and bring your legs forward, come into seated position. Straighten the legs out to begin. Then bring your right ankle under your left knee. Left ankle in front of the right knee, cross the shins. You can adjust your seat if you need to. Feet can be flexed slightly or just totally relaxed. Walk your hands forward. Relax the upper body over the legs. And your head again can stay lifted or totally relaxed. Allow your spine to round here. Soften the upper body over the legs. Notice where you feel the stretch or some other sensations here. Maybe it's on your upper or lower back, outer or inner hips. This pose mostly targets the lower back and hips, but every body is unique, so you may feel it in some other places. With your next breath, slowly lift the upper body, roll your spine up to seated. Straighten your legs out to switch sides. Bring your left ankle under your right knee. Right foot in front of the left knee. Adjust this side, sit up comfortably. When you're ready, bend forward, stay on your hands or forearms. Take a moment to find your edge, a place where you feel something in your body, but it's not painful and not too challenging. Try to find that balance between going too far or going too little into pause. And then find stillness. Follow the movements of your body as you breathe. Notice the inhale creating more space. Exhale, softening and relaxing the body. Take one more breath here. Slowly roll your upper body up to seated. Maybe roll your shoulders back, move your head, and slowly lay down on your back for reclined twists. Keep your knees bent, extend your arms out to the sides. Shift the hips slightly to the left and lower the knees to the right. Just like yesterday, you can keep your knees together or cross your left leg over the right, or maybe even straighten the bottom of the right leg and keep your left knee bent. Try out a few different variations and find the one that feels good for you today. Feel free to close your eyes and feel what's happening in your body as you stay here. Notice if some thoughts or emotions come up. Slowly bring your legs back to center to switch sides. Shift the hips to the right and lower the knees to the left in the same variation you did on the other side. Knees together, crossed, or bottom leg straight. And again, close your eyes and just be here with your body, with your breath. Enjoy this quiet moment where you don't need to do or worry about anything else. Slowly bring your body back to center. See if there are any other movements that you want to do before you sit up. Maybe Take a full body stretch or pull your knees to the chest and massage your lower back. When you're ready, slowly make your way up to seated. Any comfortable sit with your legs crossed or sitting on the heels. Eyes closed for another moment. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. And open your eyes to finish this practice. This was day 29 of the 30-day yoga challenge. I wish you a nice day and see you tomorrow for the last day of the challenge. Bye!